All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to charge this camera. It's pretty simple. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C, you know what I mean? But it has a USB-C port on this. And you've got to go to this. This is the universal sign for USB, right? So this is a little rubber door that you open up. And in there, you're going to see your USB-C port. So what you've got to do is you've got to plug in your USB-C cord. I have this one plugged into this block, and it's a USB-C, right? And all I'm going to do is just plug it right in here like that. And then I'm just going to set the camera down, and I'm going to come back when I see this light is either out or turned green. And then it should be ready to go. It's been a couple hours. As you can see, the light has gone out. So this bad boy is ready to roll. All we got to do is unplug it, cover the thing, and we can go ahead and start using it. Oh, but let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's take a look at the battery. I got to press that. Here it comes. And let's take a look at the battery. Yeah, look, the battery's totally full. So we're good. We're ready to rock and roll. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.